Welcome to the Headlight Maintenance Pro Kit, the professional headlight restoration system. In this video, we will demonstrate how to use your Pro Kit to restore headlights to near new condition. First of all, let's open the Pro Kit and see what it contains. 4 bottles of Yellow X cleaner, 4 bottles of UV clear coat, 4 different grades of sandpaper which include 400, 1000, 2000 and 3000 grade. UV clear coat blue applicator cloths, electric sander. Before you begin, you will also require a good quality masking tape, clean soft cloth, a water supply, either a water bottle or a hose, and a protective glove. Now that you have all of your components, let's begin. The first step is to prepare the headlights by masking off the paintwork, making sure it is completely covered around the headlight. If possible, we recommend using a reputable brand of masking tape as it will hold up better during the restoration process. Electrical insulation tape can also work quite well. The second step is to remove the corrosion from the headlight lens. Spray a generous amount of Yellow X cleaner onto the headlight, making sure it covers right to the edges. Wait for 10 to 20 seconds, then rinse the lens and surrounding surfaces with water. For headlight lenses in extremely poor condition, we recommend leaving the Yellow X cleaner on for 20 to 30 seconds before rinsing. The third step of the restoration is to sand the lens using the electric sander. Before we start sanding, examine the headlight lenses to determine the severity of damage. Severely damaged headlights will potentially have pits, rough areas, or blotchy discolorations. This type of damage will require using the 400 grade sandpaper to remove the coarse corrosion, then progress through the remaining grades of sandpaper, finishing with the 3000 grade until all of the corrosion is removed. Continually apply water to the area being sanded. For headlights with a low amount of damage, such as slight UV discolorations, skip the 400 grade and start sanding with the 1000 grade. It is vital that this step is completed properly, as poor sanding can hinder the effectiveness of the final steps and may result in you having to restart the restoration. After the 3000 grade sanding is completed, the desired finish of the lens should be a consistent, smooth texture across the complete headlight lens. Dry the headlight and examine for any remaining imperfections. Corrosion may still be evident when the headlight lens is dry, and if this is the case, apply more water and continue sanding until you reach the desired result. An important note with this step is that the headlight lens will not be completely clear after the sanding is completed, but don't worry, as this is normal. The fourth step is to clean off the sanding residue. Begin by removing the masking tape from around the headlight lenses. Spray a generous amount of Yellow X cleaner onto the headlight, making sure it covers right to the edges. Wait for 10 seconds and clean the lens with a soft cloth. Do not use water to wash off the Yellow X cleaner. Make sure the entire headlight lens and the surrounding area is clean and dry before we move on to the final step. The fifth and final step is to apply the UV clear coat. With a protective glove on, to prevent the UV clear coat making contact with your skin, saturate one edge of the blue application cloth. For best results, apply a generous amount of UV clear coat and carefully wipe it onto the lens in long even strokes. Make sure you keep the edge of the cloth saturated as you coat the lens. Coat the lens quickly and avoid excessive wiping, as any streaks from wiping will self-level. We recommend allowing at least 1 hour drying time. However, depending on the climate conditions, drying times may vary. If you have accidentally applied UV clear coat to the paintwork around the headlight, simply remove it using a basic rubbing alcohol. Let's have a look at our before and after pictures to see just how effective this restoration has been. As you can see, the headlight has been restored to near new condition. Not only has it improved the look of the car, but the quality of lighting coming from the headlight will have drastically improved. If you would like to submit your own success story to our headlight maintenance gallery, please visit the link in the description bar below to send us your photos and video responses. For more information about our product range, please visit www.envisionsales.com. Once again, we thank you for watching this instructional video for the Headlight Restoration Pro Kit.